3 simple tricks to get rid of hiccups. This is by far the most effective trick. Normally, we all drink from this side of the cup, but to rid hiccups, you want to sip from the opposite side of the cup, like this. Make sure you're over a sink because you'll definitely spill. Since hiccups are from spasming of your diaphragm, which is a large muscle, you're going to want to try to relax the muscle by calming your body, doing deep breathing exercises, taking a deep breath in, holding it for a few seconds, and breathing it out, and doing it multiple times in a row. Or you can simply hold your breath to contract the diaphragm to help reduce the spasming.